Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come up, baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they can burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are the way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, this song just says one thing: I love you. That's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no irony because I see what I mean. I love you. I love you.
Baby, I look after you. After you. Baby. All I wanna do is find our way back into love. I can't make it through without our way back into love. And if I open my heart to you, I'm hoping you'll show me what to do. And if you help me to start again, you know that I'll be there for you in the
Oro, andun na. Hi, Lord.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Happy
Picture
anniversary.
ulit sa ngipin. Hindi, nakay natin.
Sabi mo, happy anniversary.
Oo, yan.
Oh, dali.
28 years na sila, ma.
28 years na.
Kayo, ma, ilan pa kayo?
Kami, 36 na yata.
Yung Tita Lorna.
Tita Lorna.
Tita Joey.
Happy anniversary. Wait.
Ikaw, ina. Hindi ko rin
Sige na, dali.
Happy anniversary po. Yun na, bye-bye!
We miss you. See you.
Saan tayo kumain?
Layo nila yata eh.
Nasa Palawan ba?
Ewan ko.
Hindi naman. Bye-bye!
Happy anniversary! Congratulations po. Ilang years na po ba? 20 something? Batang bata pa, pwede pa. Second honeymoon. Ay, yung masundan pa si Michael. Diba? Pwede pa yun, mama, papa. Sige po, basta po, ingat mo kayo, love each other, at saka po mo, good health, at saka more sexy body. Sige po, mama, papa. Congratulations again. Bye-bye!
To Tita Lorna and to Tito Joey, happy anniversary to the both of you. Happy 28th anniversary. May Jehovah always bless you, yung marriage nyo, and to Tita Lorna, you're the sweetest, you're the kindest, you're the humblest person I ever know. Ganun din si Tito Joey, I know. You've known me since I was a kid. I'm still a kid at heart kahit may asawa na ako. It's been a year since I got married to Grant. And ayun, I was so happy and I was surprised when Michelle messaged me sa Facebook na she's informing me na magtuthrow siya ng isang dinner party for the both of you, and isa ako sa napili niya na mag-video message. So nakakatawa. You've been part of my family or our family. And ganun din kami naging part ng family niyo. Naging close kayo ni Mama. You know, you became friends. Ganun din si Papa and si Tito Joey and the whole family. Para kaming magkapatid ni Michelle. So parang ampon niyo ako, ampon si Michelle kala Mama and Papa. So I was really, 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 really happy. May your love stays in your hearts forever, just like wine that improves with age, and may your marriage grow finer and stronger each day. So, welcome kayo to go here sa Houston, Texas, to see how big, sabi nga nila, everything is big in Texas. So, natutuwa ako. Siguro iba din na may kakilala sa akin, natutuwa to see me. So, ayun, happy anniversary again to the both of you, Tita and Tito. And Michelle, you did a good job. So, ingat na lang kayo parate and happy anniversary again.
Hello Joey, hello Lorna, that's Daniel from Austria. I don't know if you can still remember me, but I volunteered in Palawan for 3 months. Michelle told me that you will have your wedding anniversary, and she asked me for a video. Michelle said to me that it will be your 28th anniversary. Is that true? That's a really long time. But I'm sure that you worked hard for that in the past. And I'm also sure that you will work hard in the future for that. You can be really proud about the 28 years of marriage. And with that video, I'd like to send you warm greetings from Austria and my best wishes. And I hope you will continue to work hard on that. I don't know what I can say more because I'm not married, I have no experiences, but I'm sure you will do your best. In that way, I like to give you now my greetings and my best wishes, and have a good time and a good celebration. Goodbye.
Hello Kuya Joey and Ate Lorna. I want to wish you all the best to your anniversary, and so I would like to send you very, very nice greetings from Austria. I wish you all the best, and please keep on the watch. Bye bye.
Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo dyan? Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko kasi binigla lang ako ni Mitch. And although ayaw ko makita nyo yung mukha ko, pero wala akong choice kasi mahal ko kayo, mahalaga kayo sa akin. Kuya Joey and Ate Lorna, I just want to say happy 28th anniversary.
Yay!
More anniversaries to come. May Jehovah's blessings showered upon you guys. I love you and I miss you so much. Ate Lorna, excited na ako sa pagpunta natin sa Palawan. So, see you there very soon. Malapit na, uwi na ako. This is Ella, my beautiful alaga. Mahiyain masyado, pero madita. See you guys. Bye-bye. And I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Thing.
Waki. Ya kami na kay Bibing. May handa mo nga spaghetti. Ay, kaon-kaon kami. Ihaw-ihaw. Oh.
Opo. Happy anniversary po.
Wala na, si Lorna.
Michael! Michael, hi! Michelle, hello! Punta kayo dito.
Cut!
Oh, Noy! Ano, mag-iwa ako na to. Noy, kumusta Noy? Kamo ni Lorna. Happy anniversary, Noy!
Ay, Noy! Ate! Kamusta? Happy anniversary, ha? Ano? Ay, o sige. Iya kami makaroon, Noy. Iya si Nanay, si Niniming, si Gingging. Magluluto kami, ate, ng spaghetti. Kasi... Oh! Joke lang. Noy, happy anniversary, ate, ah. Michael, Michelle. O, sige na. Happy anniversary!
Tita, happy anniversary po. More years to come, younger age, and be more healthy.
Nagigising lang po namin. Happy anniversary po sa inyo. Dali, hi ka. Hi. Hi. Sa inyo ni Tito Joey. Kumusta na lang kayo kumusta na lang sa inyo? Ulit-ulit. Kami ito. Ganun pa rin. Nga. Dali, ikaw nga. Pakita doon kay Lola. Nga. Asan yung mata? Yung mata. Yung ilong. Baho. Yung teeth. Yung dila. Yung tenga. Ay. Kili-kili. Ay, ang galing nga. Oh, beautiful eyes na. Galit. Bye-bye. Happy anniversary ulit. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Hello, happy anniversary. Thank you very much and God bless. Naantok pa ako eh. Okay, bye-bye. We love you.
And Tito Joey, happy anniversary. More power sa inyong marriage and good health. I love you very much, both of you.
Happy anniversary.
Sabihin mo dali, Lola Lu. Lola Lu.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Hello. Kumusta kayo? Happy anniversary. Siguro sa araw na yun, masaya kayo. Kaya kahit wala ako dyan, masaya na rin ako. Kasi inabot pa ninyo yung ganyan edad. Sana magpatuloy pa ng mahaba. Higit sa lahat, gusto ko sana manatili kang pioneer. Hi! Ate Lu, happy wedding anniversary.
28.
Happy 28th wedding anniversary. Sana lumawig pang yung anniversary. Okay. Yan. And thank you.
Camera ba yan?
Ako ba? Naka-record ba?
Hello, magandang gabi. It's 8 o'clock now in Australia. At in behalf of my family and tatay, nanay, and the kids, even though ngayon freezing winter ngayon sa amin, yung aming mainit na pag-ibig Kristiyano at pagbati sa inyong 28th anniversary. Happy 28th anniversary. Gusto namin kayong batiin at nagpapasalamat kami. Meron kaming privilege na makita nyo kami rito. At ngayon, gusto namin bumati. Si Baby King, gusto kong bumati personally.
Hello po, tita, tito, tsaka si Michelle, tsaka yung kapatid niya.
Kapatid niya si Michael.
Michael.
Kayo ba mga kids, kinunan niyo pa sila Ate Lorna? Kumain kayo doon, spaghetti, masarap. Ate Lorna, ewan ko kung makakatikim pa kami noon, ha? Kare-kare, gusto ko yun, ha? Okay? O, gusto namin batiin, maikli lang to. Okay? Happy birthday anniversary! Okay? Ate Lorna, Kuya Joey, and Michelle, and Michael. See ya!
Bye-bye!
Ma, happy anniversary!
Hi tita, tito, happy 28th anniversary po and may God bless you all and sana po lagi po kayong happy buong magpamilya and sana po lagi po kayo nag-uunawa ni Tito Joey. Ikaw na!
Aray! So yun, so pang 28 yata, sabi niya natin 28 daw. Pang 28 yun ang anniversary to. So nagpapasalamat ako kasi syempre sa tagal nating magpamilya, umabot na ako sa 20. At least kumpleto pa rin tayo, kaya laking pasalamat ko. So sige na, tara kain na tayo, gutom na.
Okay, bye-bye! Happy 28th anniversary po! Bye!